Talk to us. I love
what
you.
we doing?
I love you. Good looking out, man. I appreciate that.
Sneaker shopping, downtown people watching, young and seeking options. Summers in White Plains, I got people in Austin watching. Back in Michigan, no fair options. Fast forward, champagne toast with Mayor Roslyn. Blissful, somebody kill you, everybody miss you. You can't tell when you alive and well, keep your pistol. As the cold winds whistle through the township. Out of town, niggas tried, ain't been around since. Brown tints on the coffee, black Maserati. Opened up a coffee shop, I'm trying to be somebody. Hot mom, hot falutin', that's some hot brow establishment, I'm having shit. Champagne flutes is flowing when you grabbing shit. Complimentary, men lie, women lie, but not the energy. Niggas buying numbers, industry protocol if you buying hundreds, thousands. My next play is market rate housing. I did the cap and gown win, extra large white tees, the preferred steez. Please, flights overseas on my own dollar, hit dog or holler. Hit man for hire, my young chick in Cobb County cop the washer and dryer. The least I can do, I can't co-sign, at least I'm playing peekaboo. Pikachu, yellow Gucci shoes, whoop-de-doo. I'm going through the motions, sacrifice devotion.
I love you.
Smoking.
Man, I appreciate that. You talk to us. I love you. I love you. Good looking out, man. I appreciate that.
Willie, maybe you'd care to tell the whole class what you're whispering about.